So, hello kids! How are you today? This is teacher Nico from Chalor School, and welcome to Science Online Review. So this week, we have a test at Science Proficiency for Grade 6 or Pratumsok sa Pitihok Tahap. So, this is a review for first semester test. So, are you ready? So, let's start! Let's go for the option A. So we have four different parts of the test. So we have the part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. So for the part 1, we have a listening test which has 15 points. For part 2, we have multiple choices which has 15 points. For part 3, we have matching type which is 15 points. And for part 4, we have identification which is for 15 points. But this week, we only tackle about the part 1 and part 2. Okay? So this week, we only have a listening test and multiple choices. So let's start for the part 1. So for the part 1, we have the listening skills or listening tests. So you will practice reading the vocabulary first. Then get your exam sheet. This is the exam sheet, and you have to listen to the words I say. All you need to do is to circle the correct word in every number. Okay? So we'll say, for example, if I say hand, you will circle hand. If I say condition, you will circle condition. Okay? Clear? So let's start. So these are the vocabulary words. So repeat after me na, okay? First one we have wait. So first one we have digest. Again, digest. Defecation. Defecation. Urea. Urea. Ecosystem. Ecosystem. Infancy. Infancy. Very good. Next we have adulthood. Adulthood. Menstruation. Menstruation. Population. Population. Habitat. Habitat. Community. Community. Symbiosis. Symbiosis. Commensalism. Commensalism. Nutrients. Nutrients. Abiotic. Abiotic. And substance. Substance. So once again, let us read all the vocabulary words. Again, repeat after me. Digest. Defecation. Urea. Ecosystem. Infancy. Adulthood. Menstruation. Population. Habitat. Community. Symbiosis. Commensalism. Nutrients. Abiotic. And substance. So this time, get your exam test. Okay? So are you ready? But don't worry. Each number I will give you 10 seconds to answer it. Okay? So let's start with number 1. For number 1, circle the word digest. Again, digest. So 10 seconds starts now. Alright, next number 2. For number 2, circle the word defecation. Defecation. 10 seconds starts now. Alright, next, number 3. For number 3, urea. Again, urea. 10 seconds. Next, number 4, ecosystem. Again, ecosystem. 10 seconds starts now. Alright, next, number 5. Number 5 is infancy. Again, infancy. 10 seconds. Very good. Next, number 6, adulthood. Again, adulthood. 10 seconds. Alright, for number 7, next, number 7, menstruation. Again, menstruation. 10 seconds. Very good. Next, number 8. For number 8, population. Population. 10 seconds. Very good. Next, number 9. For number 9, we have habitat. Again, habitat. 10 seconds. Very good. Next, for number 10. For number 10 is community. Again, community. 10 seconds. Very good. Next, for number 11. Number 11 is symbiosis. Again, symbiosis. 10 seconds starts now. Very good. Okay, for number 12. Number 12 is commensalism. Again, commensalism. So 10 seconds. Good. Okay, next, number 13. For number 13 is nutrients. Again, nutrients. Okay, 10 seconds. Very good. Next, number 14. For number 14 is abiotic. Again, abiotic. So 10 seconds starts now. Alright, very good. And for the last number, number 15 is substance. Again, substance. And 10 seconds starts now. And that is all for the part 1, which is the listening test or listening skills. Now we are going to the part 2. Okay, so this is the instruction. For the part 2, get your exam sheet like this. Okay, for the part 2, we have the multiple choices, which I have an A, B, C, or D. So in this part of the test, I will read the questions given in the test paper. So I will read the questions, and then all you need to do is to circle the letter of the correct answer. Okay, so let's start for letter E. So for number 1, so don't worry, I will give you also a 10 seconds to answer it. Okay, for number 1, what is the age range of adolescents? Is it A, 19 to 65, B, 12 to 18 years old, C, 3 to 11 years old, or D, 0 to 2 years old? What is the correct answer? 10 seconds starts now. Alright, this letter B, okay, letter B, okay? It's 12 to 18 years old. Sorry for the red circle, okay? Next, number 2. Which of the following is a fat-soluble vitamin? Is letter A, vitamin A, B, vitamin B, C, vitamin C, or D, vitamin K? 10 seconds starts now. Again, this one is letter B, okay? Alright, the correct answer is letter... So, the correct answer is letter A, okay? Vitamin A. Don't mind this one, okay? This is wrong, okay? Letter A. Next, number 3. Which of the following is the best source of carbohydrates? Is it A, seafood, B, carrot, C, milk, or D, potato? 10 seconds. Alright, so the correct answer is letter B, potato. Next, number 4. Which vitamin helps improve your eyesight? A, vitamin A, B, vitamin K, C, vitamin B1, or D, vitamin E? 10 seconds. Alright, so the correct answer is letter A, vitamin A. Next, number 5. Which nutrients does fish contain the most? A, vitamin, B, carbohydrate, C, fats, or D, protein? 10 seconds starts now. Alright, the correct answer is letter D, protein. Okay, next. Number 6, 7, and 8. So, number 6. Which is not a part of digestive system? Is it A, esophagus, B, rectum, C, stomach, or D, trachea? Okay, 10 seconds starts now. Alright, so the correct answer is letter D, trachea. Okay, next, number 7. Which consumer eats only plants that can food? A, omnivore, B, herbivore, C, decomposer, or D, carnivore? 10 seconds. And that is goes to Ah, sorry, this is herbivore, okay? For number 8 is eagle. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, again. So again, for number 7, it's letter B. As you can see, for number 8 is letter D. An eagle is a carnivore. Ay, okay, sorry. Next, number 9. What do omnivores eat? Omnivores, pewa like a pewa, satkin food. Loko, satkin niya. A. Both plants and animals. B. Only animals. C. Dead plants and animals. Or D. Only plants. 10 seconds. Alright, the correct answer is letter A. Both plants and animals. Number 10. Which of the following organisms break down dead animals and plants? Is it A. Herbivores, B. Carnivores, C. Decomposers, or D. Omnivores? 10 seconds. The correct answer is letter C. Decomposers. Okay, next, number 11. Which of the following organisms can make their own food? Is it A. Consumers, B. Predators, C. Preys, or D. Producers? 10 seconds. Alright, the correct answer is letter D. Producers. Okay, next. Number 12 and number 13. For number 12, which change in environment is caused by human activity? A. Hurricane, B. Deforestation, C. Volcanic eruption, or D. Tsunami? Caused by human na? Okay, by human. Okay, 10 seconds. The correct answer is letter B. Deforestation, because hurricane, volcanic eruption, and tsunami are caused by environment. Okay, natural disaster. Okay. Next, number 13. Which substance cannot be separated by physical means? A. Pure substance, B. Mixture, C. Simple substance, or D. Impure substance? And 10 seconds. And the correct answer is letter A. Pure substance. And for number 14 and number 15, for the number 14, what must be used to separate a mixture of iron filing and sand? A. Filtration, B. Magnetic attraction, C. Evaporation, or D. Sifting? 10 seconds. And the correct answer is letter B. Magnetic attraction. And the last one, number 15. What separation technique is shown in the picture? Is it A. Sublimation, B. Distillation, C. Sifting, or D. Chromatography? 10 seconds starts now. And the correct answer is letter C. Sifting. Okay. And that is all for the part 2, which is the multiple choices. I am sorry for the wrong circles, okay? So, I think, okay? So, I think that is all for today. The next video is for part 3 and for part 4 of the test. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Goodbye!